2024 was an incredibly bullish year for crypto, with many trends such as meme coins, GameFi, and AI coins absolutely blasting off thousands of percent. This year, though, in 2025, there will still be a few opportunities for 100x potential gains on the coins we're going to be talking about today. None of this is financial advice, but let's jump in to the top 3 altcoins that you should not be missing in 2025. The first project is AureaOne, and the reason why this is my top pick for today is because it's a Metaverse GameFi project, and they've already got a game in development, and it looks really decent. It's a tile-based game with lots of strategy elements, including NFTs, and they've also got a metaverse based on the Deloom token. So the Deloom token is basically going to be the backbone of this entire ecosystem. They've got many games planned, and that is why I believe that this project has a lot of potential. It's also a layer 2, which means it's super scalable, very, very low fees, and instantly fast with its transactions. And if you are in GameFi, guys, or you do play any mobile games, you know that when you buy something in a mobile game, 1, it's a huge industry, but 2, you want it to be very fast and cheap when it comes to fees when you're doing so. So that's why I put Deloom at a very high potential gain rate. Currently, their presale has raised nearly $3 million, which is a massive success so far. And if you do want to get involved, all you got to do is press the link in the description. You can pay with ETH, BNB, Matic, Card, or others that are listed on here. Super simple to do. You just connect your wallet and then you just pay, and you can also stake as well from that point. All you got to do is connect your wallet, say how much you want to buy, and you will be awarded that much Deloom. These guys are absolutely destroying their roadmap, just hitting every target, every task, every single quarter. And this is why I think this has 100x potential. Let's move on to the next coin. We're not just talking about GameFi though, we're talking about every trend we're expecting in 2025 with a coin for that trend. We can see here DexBoss are taking on the decentralized exchange trend here. Now, the reason why decentralized exchanges are popping off right now, and they have been towards the end of last year, is because there's a lot more UI-based trades behind them, and it's allowing people to get involved with trading as regulations increase, meaning that you don't need KYC to trade on a DEX. And this is why a project like this, DexBoss, is absolutely nailing it. They've already raised 500k, they just started their pre-sale, and they are going for that cross-chain compatibility with their DEX, as well as many other things here as well. Decentralized security, okay, comprehensive trading tools, such as the things you see on TradingView and other centralized exchanges, okay, a user-friendly interface, which we don't see a lot in a lot of DEXs right now, and automated risk management. This is something that's massive, particularly if you're trading on a leverage. So definitely check out DexBoss. This is going to be one that I think is massive. They're going to be allowing you to trade over 2,000 different currencies, and over time, their goal is to basically be the DEX that adds all of the successful different projects on, say, DEX screen and stuff like this before the centralized exchanges do so. So this could become a staple, similar to Mexi, similar to Gate.io. Before it gets to the big exchanges, this could be the one that lists it first and then makes those coins successful. And if they succeed at that, guys, that's going to open the door to this being essentially like a launch pad where you will find the projects they list first, and then, yes, as they get listed on the bigger exchanges, you will make money from all of that liquidity, all of that volume. These guys just nail it from every angle. So in terms of scalability, in terms of long-term value, and in terms of market proposition, this is definitely one of my top picks that has 100x potential. Let's move on to the last project. And the final coin here that I think has a lot of potential in the upcoming 2025 bull run is this. It's called YPredicts, and the token is YPRED. And the reason why I believe this is a massive, massive potential token is because it's tackling trading. And there's one thing crypto people do the most is trading with TA, with indicators, and just following the charts with different indicators here, right? So we can see with this video on the screen right now, you're basically going to get a TradingView-like experience, but your interface is just going to be way more intuitive. You can basically add automated features such as descending triangles, chart patterns, stuff like this that can really just help you with your trading and benefit your trading over the short and long term. So if we go down here, we can just see what this thing offers. We can see there's a marketplace here where you can build trading strategies or winning trade setups with ease. And you can do this with their automatic features here, where yes, if you do want that falling wedge plotted into the chart or see where all the falling wedges are, you can do so very easily with their very nice UI. We can also see here the charts here, very, very easy to use. Nothing too complicated like TradingView would normally be, right? You can just have all your levels plotted in. You've got a Fibonacci tool, you've got your position tools, and you can also put in emoji animations if that suits you. We've also got pattern detection, so you can basically find falling wedges. You could find any kind of pattern, whether it's a bullish butterfly or a bearish butterfly, anything like this, and basically it's going to automatically draw that in for you. You see a head and shoulders right there. Okay, so if you are a trader, I do believe this token has a lot of appeal, and I do think the product behind it, which is this platform, will potentially benefit that token over the long term for potentially 100x. So that's going to be it for this video. The three we've talked about today, I'll just remind you and summarize right here. Okay, we've got AureaOne, which is a metaverse gaming project. These guys have raised a lot of money. They have a lot of potential. I see them scaling with their first game and the next few games that come after that. Then we've got Dex Boss. This is a massive trend. Decentralized exchanges basically coming forward with UI and disrupting the industry that mainly requires KYC. These guys basically just void all of that and say, hey, come over to our exchange, connect your wallet, you can trade, you don't need KYC. This is a fantastic little bit of innovation, and I will say has a lot of potential for 100x. The last one here is obviously YPRED token. This is massive, right? Big trading tools to help crypto people just excel ridiculously when it comes to trading all of their altcoins and stuff like this. So that's going to be it for this video. Let me know what you think of these in the comments, right? All of the links will be in the description, but I will see you in the next one. Cheers.